Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live here every morning for the opening and closing bell. I'm here all day, 10 hours a day, bringing you breaking news. Yes, indeed, busiest YouTube studio in the world. I'd like anyone to challenge me on that. And throughout the day as well, we bring you breaking news, earnings reports before the markets open, after markets, the whole lot. We're here 24 hours a day, and boy, we've got a lot to talk about today. All right. I said to you today, would I reach $45,000? And the majority was no. Well, I actually went to $45,500. Shall we look at it? It's just dropped off a little bit right now, but I'm not worried. And I'm even more bullish than ever. Let me go into the trades right now and show you my exact position where we are right now. This is where we are right now, as you can see. Just 44.46. It was actually, I'm up again today, but it was actually $45,500 more just a few moments ago. But anyway, let's get straight into the trades and see where we are right now. Okay, let's go over to my main portfolio and you'll see where we are. This is going for all our stocks. Click subscribe, ring the bell, let me know you're here. Give me a thumbs up and there you go. Smash the like button as well. That would be absolutely great. Thank you, Mike. Mike is here first over there on Twitch. Wonderful to have you, Mike. Thank you very much for being with us and keeping Twitch open. So important. Everybody over there on TikTok, how are you doing? And we got some really exciting news about Bitcoin. Oh, yes, we got some very exciting news about Bitcoin just come out. And I just reported on it a few moments ago. Right, so let's get straight into our live positions and let's go through the entire portfolio. Okay, so Rio Tinto, we've got just a few days away and Rio Tinto will be paying out a wonderful $109 dividend, which I'll reinvest in the stock. So I'm very, very excited about that, as you can imagine. Very, very good indeed. That's coming up. And Apple is also paying me a dividend, which I'm paying back into the stock as well. Vanguard S&P is up. It's just touched zero. It was up a lot higher just a few moments ago. And I think it will bounce into the close. Virgin Galactic holding above 7. And Virgin Orbit is up 2.36. Tesla, I still say $1,000 this week. Let's see if I'm right. Rivian is up 37.83. Now I'm 41% up on Rivian. Lucid up 0.5%. Polestar, still out of the money on Polestar, 9% to go. Getting better all the time, though. Not that far away. Arrival, we're up today, 4.78, looking very, very nice. Amazon, I'm up nearly 17%, just fallen back slightly, but we are up again today. Apple, we had a really good bounce just a few moments ago, and it fell off again, but that's profit taken. That's all that is. Apple is down 0.57 today. Robinhood is up 0.05. I'm up 10% on it right now, just turning red for a moment. McDonald's up nearly 0.5% today. I'm up nearly 9% on McDonald's right now. Coca-Cola is up 0.8, and I'm up 3.56. Johnson & Johnson, just 2.5% away now. I didn't get it at the very lowest price, perhaps, but I'm very happy with that. It's good park money plus dividends. You can't go wrong with it. Google up 10.21 overall. Not that bad at all. Just down very slightly today. Microsoft down 0.63. Meta is down 1.37. SoFi is down 0.79. IonQ today is soaring away. This is really great company. IonQ is quantum computers, and this could be a 10x stock as well. So again, I don't need to buy anymore. I don't need to get greedy. I've got plenty of stock here. PayPal is $101 now. I'm at 35%. Very nice. Rolls-Royce just barcoding. Nothing much to say today. Walmart, great earnings. 5.47, soaring away today. With all those dividends, I'm up $14. Very, very nice indeed. Target, another one. Reports in the morning. We'll be with you in the morning. Target looking good. And Tesco is up 0.57. Canoe, Gove, it's been up and down today. It's a swing trading. On, up and down, not much to say about it really. Tilray Brands had a great start of the day, but remember we were 24% down 2 weeks ago. We're now up nearly 12%, so I'm fine with that. Ginkgo Bioworks did really well, dropped back a little bit, but we've got a little bounce, a little sell-off going into the close. I think we will come back in a minute. Bitcoin SV is down 0.67. Bitcoin overall is down 0.62. And Ethereum is down 0.21. All right. Okay. Now then, my overall portfolio is just on the line right now. It was up $45,500. So not only did I reach 45, it smashed there through. Okay. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. Hello, acquiring your opinion. I'm a beginning investor and have an active portfolio with Robinhood. So do I, Elijah. This is my portfolio. I grew it from $5,000 up to $45,000 live here on the show in front of everyone. You really should be on YouTube, though. All my serious traders investors are on YouTube. Links in the profile just up there. If I give you the link on the screen as well, make it even easier for you. But the best way is just coming in via the link. Come out of the main show here on TikTok. If you want to be part of our traders investors, and we're trying to grow the best YouTube, TikTok and Twitch channels in the world, we give away cash prizes every Friday. The money I make on YouTube on Friday, I give back to you. The money I make on Twitch, I give back to you for free. I don't ask anything. I don't sell you anything. I'm just here to help people. I just love doing it. We're just a really cool community. All right, so if you want to be part of it, come and join us. Links in the profile. Okie dokie. Let me just talking to a friend there who's on YouTube, on TikTok, who's just starting out. Okay, 3 of the Bitcoin's largest mining companies, Marathon, Core Scientific, and Riot, face potential bankruptcy after losing $1 billion amid Bitcoin bear market. It's no surprise at all. Thank you very much, Paul B, for bringing that information. There's no doubt about it. No doubt whatsoever in my mind that Bitcoin is about to crash when all other major companies, stocks with assets and profits are all up. Just keep going up and up and up for 3 months now. Anyway, I've just made a video about something very, very exciting. Very, very exciting. We've got a... you won't believe this. You're going to love this. We've got a movie being paid for by investors, token investors. Look at this. The Bitcoin movie. Yep, there's a Bitcoin movie to find out who the real Satoshi Nakamoto is. Very, very exciting stuff. I've just made a short video on it, announcing it. Very, very exciting. So there he is. There's the lead character. What do you think of that? So anyway, Bitcoin the movie. I mean, seriously, what's all that about? This is the video right now. Let me give you a little edit of it right now. I'd like you all just to go and watch it. Leave a comment, leave a like. I'd love your thoughts on this. Whoever appears up first, I will highlight you and pin you to the top. So, Caden, talking to you right now. There's the video. Open another tab. Watch it all the way through. Don't skip it. Otherwise, you destroy it. Let it run through. It's only 2 minutes long. And whoever's comment comes up first on that video, I will pin to the top. And if it's Caden, of course, it's great for you because everybody who watches that video will go to your channel. And as you can see, I've got an SEO score of 84.1. The internet loves it. The SEO optimization loves it. So there you go. It's going to be a good one. So get yourself commented there quickly. All right, Caden, I'm trying to help you out, mate. Trying to help you out. All right. Drillian Demarge. Hi, Martin. Hi, everyone. Just wanted to say a massive thank you to Mr. Ali Tisro for the membership. Absolutely awesome. I know. Huge. That's very kind of you. I hope he comes in and recognises that because it'll be absolutely great. Drillian Demarge, that's absolutely wonderful. By the way, so now, Drillian, you know, it only lasts for a month, so we hope you'll continue at the end of the month. But you now can get polls in the chat because you're a member. You can ask me to review stocks, make videos on the stocks. You can also have, for you and all your family, celebrate birthdays on their birthdays, the day before, the day of, and day after. We do that to cover weekends. For you and your whole family, just let me know. So if you want to give a gift to someone and you want them to have a little birthday surprise, let me know and I will do that for you in the show. That's something. And also you can get over to Discord, and we are working on Discord to improve security for people that are trying to scam to be me. We're not sure how to do that yet, but we're working on it. Anyway, you can get into Discord, and you can be upgraded to a YouTube member, and you can come on the show, you can call in, you can leave posts, comments, talk to the other people. Anyway, brilliant. Right, there we go. Caden Youngquist just said, yes, I'm first. Did you watch the whole video, though? Did you let it run all the way through? You better have done, otherwise me and you are going to fall out. Let me have a quick look at it. Let me see if he said he's the first. So let me pin him. I promised the first person I would pin to the top. First, ha. There you go. Let me pin it for you, Caden. Here you go. There's Caden Youngquist. He left a comment first, and I'll pin it there. There you go. There you go, Caden. You're pinned to the top, and people will see. Everybody who sees the video will see you right at the top, and you never know, they might click on your channel. That's what happens to me when I do it to YouTubers. If I leave positive comments, they do highlight me and promote me, and I get viewers from that. So there you go. Top tip, how to grow a YouTube channel. All right, you can have that one for free. Right, Rio Tinto is up again today. Let's go for all our stocks. I'm so excited, $109 being paid out soon. The S&P is going back up again. Just a few moments ago, we were at 45,500 strong. We're still 44.5 right now. Let me share with you. We just dropped back a little bit, but not a big deal. Not a big deal. Shared the live. Thank you very much indeed. Kaya Boney just shared my live. Should be 100 videos by the end of next month. Keep on going, mate. Keep on going. Just the beginning. I've made thousands of videos. Keep on going and keep learning from everyone you do. Look at the analytics. Look at the... look at what it's teaching you. It's always telling you something. Find a niche and focus down, and that's the best tip I could give you, is focus down on a niche. Do something really, really small that you can get a really high score for. In other words, low competition. You want that when you're a small channel. Low competition and high volume. Find something that people are searching for that's not being covered. In other words, something small. Don't try and do Bitcoin. Don't try and do Tesla. Waste your time. Waste your time trying to do Bitcoin or Tesla. Never bother. I do it as a sideline. It's not what I focus on. All right. Shared the live. Thank you ever so much indeed. For those of you that shared my live, look, click the like but share button down here. That's very kind of you. How nice is that? Is it Kia Boney? Thanks a lot. Anyway, back to YouTube right now. We're on YouTube right now. Okay, guys, links in the profile. More breaking news from Paul B. The big news. The Houston Texans become the first NFL team to accept Bitcoin as payment for ticket purchases. There you go. More of it all the time we're getting from Paul B. Great stuff. All good. All good. I just can't wait for this final rinse out to happen. Can you? I just want it to happen. Have you all checked out this little movie I just put out? I'll be the first to leave a comment. Watch it all the way through. It's only 2 minutes long. Bitcoin the movie. Very exciting. This could be a really popular video on my channel. I've got nearly 90% SEO score for it. So there you go. See what happens. Back to the trades. Virgin Orbit. Now, Tesla, I still say, could reach $1,000 this week. I still stand by that. I'm not going to flip-flop on it. I believe it. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. And I'll say I'm wrong. And I'm right. I'll tell you I'm right as well. You know I will. BRCC stock partners with the Dallas Cowboys. Dallas Cowboys, how many of you know that I did a gig for Jerry Jones, the owner of Dallas Cowboys? I played at one of his venues. Yep. And Mark Cuban played at his house as well. BRCC, stock partners with the Dallas Cowboys. Absolutely rubbish team, though. Didn't tell him that, though, of course. They don't win anything. Anyway, would you like another one? You'll like this one, Martin. Go on, then. I'll like another one. Go on, then, Paul B. Give me another one. Queen of Self-Braiding, I haven't forgotten your fundraiser, by the way. I've got so many fundraisers to fit in right now. I'm getting on it as quick as possible. You can imagine my workload is increasing every day, and I'm trying to focus all the time on my members. This is why you're a member, right? Okay, let's look at all the stocks that come back up again. The overall portfolio now is, yep, 44.6. Still say 45,000 by the close. We've got 45 minutes to go. I wonder if I'll get there. We'll see in a minute. If you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell, give me a thumbs up. Very exciting times. Just getting ready. Tomorrow morning, of course, we've got Target's earnings as well. If you want to be involved in Target's earnings, here is the link for tomorrow. Let's see, how many likes have we got on the video so far? We got 6. That's better than Walmart. Maybe you like it more than Walmart. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. I don't know. We got a few people already left comments there. So let's see if we can get more than 6 for the earnings for Target. So here's the link. I do it through my website to try to drive the SEO to the website. There you go. There is the link. You simply click on that. And then someone said today, it brings me to your website. Yeah, look, it brings you to that page there. And what you do is you scroll down, look, to Target. There it is. And there's the link there. The video is a link itself. Look, the video is a link. And so there. And that will bring you to there. And then I want to see that go to 10. Let's get it to 10 today. Let's get it to 10, can we? Fed minutes tomorrow. The Fed minutes tomorrow. Thank you very much, CY. CY. Caden Youngquist. I got to call you Caden. Don't know why I say CY. Anyway, what time is that tomorrow? I've got it on my calendar, but just remind me, what time is it tomorrow? Fed minutes tomorrow. What time is that tomorrow, Caden? 2 p.m. Is that 2 p.m. Central? 2 p.m. Central. That's Central, I think. Yeah, okay. I'll have a look at that. Central, I think. I'll have a little look. I'll have a little scoot around and see what I can find. All right. Let me zoom in on that a minute. Make that bigger. Let's make that bigger. There we go. Let's make that bigger. We'll come back to that in a minute. Okay, Renatus. Hello, Martin. Lovely seeing you and the entire club of investors in the chat. Yes, indeed. How are you? We're all here. The members, the family, the clan, the tribe. But we're like a cult. Yeah, we are. We're unbelievable. We've got a Bitcoin movie coming out. Oh yeah, it's being funded now by the investors of certain crypto tokens, and I've just made a 2-minute video about it. It's very exciting. See what you think. Leave a comment below this video. If you want to open another little tab, it's only a 2-minute video. There it is in the link right now. Good stuff. See what you think of that. And let me see who the first comment was. Newest first. There we go. Oh, there we go. Oppa Joe. Hey, I don't like. We got 3 of you who've already commented. Lovely stuff. There you go. I have 20,000 investors. I have 20,000 invested. Will I hit 50,000 by the end of the year? Well, that's an impossible question to answer. It depends what you're invested in. It's not just we all throw money into the markets and we're all gonna go up. It doesn't work that way. You know that, Caden. It depends what you're invested in, how you behave with the investments, how you react to your stocks. I mean, I can ask that question because everyone can see my portfolio. I have 20,000 invested. Will it hit 50,000? Well, what's the value of your portfolio right now? What's the value of your how much did you put in and what's the value of it now? Just want to hear your thoughts. You know what you need to do? You need to invite me on your show and then you could share with me your stocks and we could discuss it live on the show. We could go through them all. IonQ, this is a phenomenal investment here with up 57%. I could be a guest on your show. There you go. That'd be good, wouldn't it? PayPal. If I was a guest on your show, everybody come and watch. PayPal, that'd be good, wouldn't it? That'd be good for your show. What a good idea that would be. Anyway. Walmart is up 5.31, just continually powering up. Target reports in the morning. Let's see if we've got any more views on Target. Let's have a little look. Did I get any more? 8 likes. Yeah, need 2 more likes. Lots of blue chips. Tesla, Apple, Google. You've been copying me? What's going on there? I mean, it's impossible to say, isn't it? Your value is 20,000 now, and you think you're going to double your position, more than double by the end of the year. No. It's virtually impossible to say. And good old again, it depends on where you bought in as well. Depends what your growth is, how much how much you bought in. Impossible to say. I'd need to look at your entire stock anyway. We're at 44.5, 44.6. We are green, only just again. Yeah, that's true. Yes, indeed, it makes a big difference. Rio Tinto. Did I just shut something down there? Oh, no, I didn't. Scroll up. Says Paul B. Scroll up. I've got loads of scroll ups here. I'm scrolling up for 10 minutes. Oh, there we go. What's going on? You playing silly buggers with me or what? All right, okay. Google has invested $1.56 billion into blockchain companies between September 2021 and June 2022. Google has invested. What's it done with its money, though? What has it done? Has it bought the coin? Has it bought mining facilities? When you say invested in the blockchain companies, what exactly do you mean? Because that tells me a lot. What have they done with their money? All these were got at the exact bottom. Wow, really? You bought all those blue chip companies at the bottom. See, I didn't buy the bottom at all. I was already in. I sold out, took a loss, bought on the way down, doubled up as it got lower. But I didn't buy the bottom. No, absolutely not. If you did buy the bottom, how much did you put in? How much are you up now? So your value is at $20,000 right now. So you've had some growth, right? Because we've had like a month now of it going up. So are you saying your portfolio on the way to the bottom? Oh, okay, there's a big difference on the way to the bottom and the bottom. Are you saying your portfolio is worth $20,000 right now and you bought near the bottom? So I'm assuming then on that basis you put in about 16,000. I'm assuming you put in about 16,000 if you're at 20. I'm sort of adding a little bit, taking a bit away. If you didn't buy at the bottom, probably up to $20,000. If you're at 20,000, you probably put 15, 16. Am I right? Is that about right? I'm impressed for a 17-year-old. I didn't have 15 grand when I was 16. Did anybody else here have that sort of money? I didn't. I didn't have anything like it. Let me just make this better for my friends over there on Tickety Talk. I like to call you Tickety Talks. I like to give you the best quality, right? So we change the settings and we can upgrade. Look, we can give you, there, look at that, look, HD. HD. Can you believe it? You're getting HD on TikTok. I don't know if you can see the difference, can you? It's through my phone. Anyway, you're not answering my question. Oh, Discord direct message. All right then. He doesn't want to say on the telly, because what he really did was take some money out of his mum's purse. That's what he did. He doesn't want his mum to find out, so he sent me a private message going, you need to go and check out my Discord. I can't tell you on the telly. Can't tell you on the telly. This lives forever. Can you stop talking about it, because this is being recorded. Anyway. It's Paul B who sent me the message. I beg your pardon. All right, it was Paul B. It wasn't Caden. I apologise for that. I was thinking it was Caden. Anyway, it was Paul B. Here we go. Fun fact. We got a fun fact here from Mr. Paul B. And his fun fact says, Google... no, I don't steal my mum's money. I grind for it. That's just as well, really. That's just as well. Doesn't end well if you start taking your mum's money out of your purse. So you haven't answered my question. Did you put about 15 grand in if you're up to 20,000? That's the number you would have put in if you bought everything at the bottom, near the bottom, a couple of months ago. That's the sort of number you'd have put in. So anyway, I'm trying to work out if you can get to 50. That's what you asked me, right? Does Caden mean 200 or 2,000? Yeah. Anyway, fun fact, Google invested 1.56 billion into blockchain companies between September 21 and June 22. Okay, that's all. I said so. All we're getting on that. It doesn't give any more information than that. Because you have to take everything with a pinch of salt. Is it true? Is it true? What does it mean? I like to dig into that, close to that. There you go. There you go. See that, Caden? I worked it out. I wasn't far out, he says. I wasn't far out, and I'm just going in between all the little bits of information he's given me. There you go. So the honest answer: will you reach 50,000 by the end of the year? No. No, not a chance. Not a chance in hell. Not a chance, not a chance. But it'd be good if it did, though, wouldn't it? Eh? If you don't trade and you hold your positions in the stocks that generally you've alluded to, and the amount of money that you put in and where it is now, there's the the bear market rally is probably going to continue for another month, probably. But then it will fall down, but I'm not selling when it falls down because I'll still be up anyway. It doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter. I'm just reinvesting the dividends and holding my positions. So for you though, if it goes at 20,000, I would say you could probably reach more like maybe 28,000 probably if you don't do anything and just let it sit there and reinvest the dividends as they come in. Not that dividends will make that much difference on 20 grand, but anyway. It is a big sum, isn't it, Drillion? Can you believe it? He's 17 years of age, he's got 20 grand to put on. Bloody hell, I mean, seriously? I had about 20 quid. 20 pound. $20. What's going on? Exactly, what is the source? Is it trustworthy? Exactly, and what does it actually mean? It doesn't mean a great deal, but we report all the information. Anyway, all summer I was making money on my e-commerce site, day trading and mowing business. I saw that on your channel. I like that. Made me good money. All reinvested it when when the market was going down, and now I have close to 20,000 invested. There you go. Swing trading raised my capital quick. There you go. More like scalp trading. Swing trading's over a few weeks. What you're talking about is more like scalp trading. You need to click the links, takes to the Twitter page, and underneath is a sub-link with the companies they've invested in. All right, BRCC 10%, 100% my portfolio on the short squeeze. All right. Okay, thanks, Paul. Right, let's go back to it again now. And now let's have a quick look at the portfolio. It does look like now we're moving. I said to you I'd be 45,000 by the end of the day. No one listens to me. No one ever listens to me. No chance you will not be 45,000. And I said, yeah, I will. No, you won't. I think 62% said, no, I won't. I love it. When the majority says the one thing, I always go the other way. I'm a pain in the arse like that. I was like that at school. I always go the other direction. It's always a good idea because I'm the only one. So if I get it right, I get all the money. If I get it wrong, no one knows about it. That's the thing. Always go the opposite direction to everybody else, because if you get it right, you take all the spoils, you get all the money, you get all the prize. If it's wrong, no one knows you're wrong. No one knows. You just turn around and catch up everybody else. That's what you do. So when I used to do the cross-country running, I would always go the other way. I might get a shortcut and win the race, but as soon as I discover it's the wrong thing to do, I turn around and I try and catch up. And I still end up catching up anyway. Yeah, follow your instincts. There you go. Follow your instincts. Do your own thing. Always go your own way. Overall, it's the best way of doing it. You follow the lemmings over a cliff, you end up over the cliff. That's a guaranteed fact. BBBY, I lost volume. That's why she is falling. He's given stock agenda. You be careful with that. That's how it all starts. That's how it all begins. That's the you be careful. Giving stock agenda. Hey, don't start saying Tesla's a girl or a boy. Don't start doing that. Then you'll be in trouble then, because you'll start falling in love with your stock. You become a fan of the stock and you never sell it. All right. Most brokers have a minimum age of 18 years of age to invest. Yeah, I often wondered that. How do you actually invest, Caden, if you are 17? They'll target Wish next or BlackBerry. Right, good evening, Paddy April. Our ladies from Italy have entered the building. Right. Do you know what? It's one of those days where I'm going to hit 45,000 right on the bell, and everyone's going to go, oh my God, how does Martyn know this stuff? I can see it coming on. What do you reckon? Should I run the poll again and say, will I be at 45,000 by the end of the day? 68% said no. I wonder if you've changed your mind by now. Let's have a look. Custodial account through Vanguard. There you go. A custodial account. Custodial sounds like he's in prison, doesn't it? Custodial account. Love it. All right. Okay. We're just, 29 minutes ago before the bell goes. If you're watching this show right now and you've not smashed a like, why? And why hasn't everybody got a tab open on Twitch? I don't understand. Some of my Twitchers didn't renew their subscriptions, and it's free. I don't know why. You'll be out of the draw now. We'll be out of the draw, and I might even have to stop doing it. Look at this. So on Twitch, I've got 6 subscribers, and 2 of those don't count because it's me and Leah. So we had 10. We've lost 4 subscribers. Absolutely crazy to do so. Don't do that. Make sure you set it permanent. It costs you nothing, and you can choose the permanent option. Amazon pay it, and every month you be in a draw. Don't understand why people have let that lapse. Unbelievable. Right. Let's go to a quick commercial break. And then we got day trader. Oops, a daisy. I just broke something. No, I didn't. I thought I broke something then for a minute. All right, you ready? Quick commercial break. Be right back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. Yeah, I have had some trading bans on there. LOL, free claims on settlement fund penalties. Was trading with money I did not have, I guess. Oh, there you go. So it looks like Caden's going off to prison. Naughty boy. All right, here we go. Back in 10 seconds from now. I don't know why I did that. That was supposed to sound like Irish, and it sounded like a lunatic. See you back in a second. Here we go. No more silly noises. All right, I'm back. I'm back in the house, and my ads didn't work. The ads broke. Someone's busted me ads. Oh, page unresponsive. Wait, I'm waiting. It says the page is unresponsive. That's not good, is it? When the page says it's unresponsive, then you're in trouble. Right, Renatus OF von Touré Pomothy. That's a great name, that. It's a great name. Right, okay, the overall portfolio. Yeah, still saying wait. I'm waiting. How long do I have to wait for? Christmas? Yeah. Anyway, whatever. I'm getting locked up. No, I called them when they were banned for 6 months. They're coming round your house. They know where you live. So you be careful, mate. Otherwise, you'll be in trouble. I tell you what. They're not messing about today. They've been watching you, watching the day trader. They know what you're up to, mate. They know what you're up to. By the way, a little bit of a celebration for those of you that love the channel. We did a milestone. Caden, you'll like this. Look, bit of a milestone on my channel. In 48 hours... I went through 10,000 views in 48 hours. 10,000 views in 48 hours. Oh yeah, get in. I'm becoming a big YouTuber. Look at that. I'll start thinking I'm worth $10,000 a video soon, like the big YouTubers, and won't even get out of bed. Oh, I'm not getting out of bed unless I get 10 grand a video. I'll be like then. What do you reckon? Right then. We've got 25 minutes to go. I said I'd be at $45,000 by the time the bell went, end of the day. We are just $250 away now. 68% said no way. You got no chance. You're talking nonsense. Let's see what happens. Anyway, let's go over to our stocks and go through it right now. Oh, here we go. I can't prove nor disprove the young man. I did start watching this show about 2 weeks ago. You were around $38,000 and now about to hit $45,000. Proof of work. I can't prove nor disprove the young man. I did start watching this show about 2 weeks ago. You were around 38,000 and now about to hit 45,000. Proof of work. Nits Ferrells, thank you very much indeed. Bill, can you please tell us why Canopy Growth is growing more than Tilray in the past month? Bill, there you go. Bill's from Canada. Bill might know. Bill might know. And I believe he actually smokes cannabis as well for medicinal purposes. I just want to absolutely stress that fact there. Very, very important. All right. Okay. Virgin Galactic, the S&P 500. Let's go and have a little look at Tilray. Rio Tinto. This is very encouraging, by the way. Rio Tinto did not get that copper mine, but they are going ahead with the wind and the solar, which is very, very good. Bill is a boss of Canopy Growth. It's a better product. Oh, here he is. It's a better product. Bill knows. Bill's the man. He can tell you. So Rio Tinto, I want to point out how good this is. We've just had a dividend. So people could be selling this now because they've just received their dividend and they could sell out. Because you don't need to hold it now. You can sell it. The dividend's already been confirmed. You could sell this stock now and it's held up and people are buying in. So this is very, very good for the stock. So I'm up 6.5% plus $109 dividend. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That's my best ever dividend payout. I buy my cannabis from them. Can you stop doing that, Bill? Can you start buying from Tilray? Because we want Tilray to go up. I've got no shares in the other company. I own a good amount of Rio, says Caden. The Church of Logic. Mushroom Bill. From now on, he'll be known as Mushroom Bill. All right, that's a statement of fact, that is. I'm not even going to go back on it. Ethereum is just flat right now. Ethereum's been doing nothing now for a week or so. Did pretty well, just going sideways. In fact, it's going down overall. But anyway, there you go. I'm waiting to buy more of it when it crashes down. If it does, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Right. But everything like that in that field for me is going down. Enphase, I'm up 63%. Looking good. There's no dividend to pay on that one. That is purely growth. Why? What's the difference between growth and dividend? Growth obviously grows a lot quicker than dividend stocks. Dividend rewards you with a dividend. Tend to be slow growers. But when you have growth and dividend, you got the best of both worlds. I mean, that's just like the gift that keeps giving. Canoe. Tilray has lower THC count. I believe that is. Bill, we got thousands on Tilray, and you buy from Canopy. Drillion, yes, sort him out. This is supposed to be a family. We got millions of dollars here invested here, Bill. Our lives are at stake. Our lives are at stake, and you are buying from the competition. What is going on with Bill? Bill shall no longer be a loved member of his family. He shall be an outsider. He shall be cast out to the dogs, and nobody will let him in. That's it. We'll ban him. We'll say, Bill, you are no longer welcome. I buy Tilray stock. Oh well, can we forgive him? He does buy Tilray stock. Yeah, I'm not so sure though. You know what I mean? It's like half and half, innit? You're either in or you're out, Bill. You're either in or you're out. Don't think for 1 minute crypto will fall by itself. How many times since March has Market Profit and myself, I like that, he's getting on the Market Profit train, Market Profit and myself said that this was coming. When crypto goes, so will stocks. I do not accept that as a guaranteed fact. I do not accept that as a guaranteed fact. If they separate before the downfall, and this continues going, if we get this continued rise in stocks and this continued flatlining of Bitcoin, I do not believe it'll bring down the stocks. And the Coconut just subscribed. Thank you very much. And the reason why I say that, does Rolls-Royce pay you a dividend? No, it's purely a growth stock. I'm trying to get out of it. It doesn't pay anything at all. Nope, not a thing. Not a diddly squat. And it's not Rolls-Royce cars, it's Rolls-Royce the jet engine servicing, by the way. Bill is the king of the show. For Christmas, we will all get in a Santa outfit. Yeah. And we'll hire Bill to come round our houses and down our chimneys. There you go. But no, if it goes on long enough, I would say that it will separate. If Bitcoin just sits there, more and more companies go bankrupt, more and more projects go bankrupt, more and more people leave the space, and it sits there longer and longer and longer going nowhere, I do not think for a minute that the overall crash, if we call it that, is if it comes, it's not a guaranteed thing. If it comes, will follow Bitcoin. It will follow Bitcoin. I don't think so. It's like you say, since March or whatever it's been, but things are different now. Things are different. You can feel it. People are tired of crypto. They're tired of the nonsense. They'll come back when it's all tidied up. But right now, I'm not so sure that people will be bothered. If it goes down, the stocks, I think, will separate and have nothing to do with it. But that's what I think. What do I know? Don't listen to me. I only buy their products, not the stock. Does Rolls-Royce, we've done that one. My family spends $400 every 2 weeks on Costco, so Costco might be a good investment. Costco is one of the best companies you can own. Costco is a great company. But if you're already in Walmart and you're already in Target, you've got enough exposure. So this is where people get carried away. They want to own everything. You've got to think, what's the best balance of your portfolio? And remember, at the end of the day, buy what you know and buy what you actually are interested in. You know, if you've got Walmart, you've got the retail sector. You don't need Costco as well. Have one or the other. You might have both if you want. I'm not saying don't, but don't end up with 20% of Walmart and 20% of Costco because you've now got 40% in the retail space. That doesn't make any sense. You've got no real growth there. That doesn't make any sense. Unless you just want your portfolio to sit there earning dividends and you forget all about it. But anyway, be a good investment because my family will be changing their earning numbers with their groceries. There we go. It's like insider trading, isn't it? Insider trading. We know where the money is going into Costco. It's coming from the Youngquist family, so the stocks are bound to go up, right? Okay. Bill is the king. What do you think about BBBY? Tom Clipson. Are you a member? Yeah, you are. That means I've got to look at it. Darn it, I've got to look at it. BBBY. Bed Bath & Beyond. No. Company makes no money. Wouldn't touch it. Bed Bath & Beyond. No. I know that a lot of money it's sold off, but the company doesn't make any money and could go bust at any moment. Not interested in Bed Bath & Beyond. If you're in the retail space, get into Walmart or Costco. I mean, why would you bother? I mean, it's all about where is your money most likely to make the most money, all right? You might say, well, Bed Bath & Beyond's great. Yeah, but is it better than Costco? Is it better than Walmart? No. Well, then why are you invested in Bed Bath & Beyond? Do you just like baths? Beds? I mean, what? I don't know. Maybe you have a reason. Maybe you get free stock from somewhere. Maybe you've worked there all your life and you just want to follow the company. You love it. I don't know. Maybe you're buying on the drop. There was a huge drop recently and you thought, okay, good opportunity. But comparing like for like, why would you bother? Yeah, it is weird that Rolls-Royce does not pay a dividend. Their growth is also not the best. I must say it's quite disappointing. Rolls-Royce is disappointing, but you need to understand why it's disappointing. Do you know why it's disappointing? Rolls-Royce, let's go back. Quick analysis of Rolls-Royce. Right, quickly. Rolls-Royce, not the cars, the jet engines. This was March 20. There you go. Why did it crash? Boom. Because they had nothing to service. All planes were grounded. No one was going anywhere. Rolls-Royce had nothing to do. Right, but what you don't know is, just here, around here, all the airlines had their engines serviced. So they paid all the money to Rolls-Royce they need to. Now, all this crashed down. It's going sideways. All these planes are starting to fly, but they're speeding up, but they don't need servicing yet. They got done here. If they were going flat out, by now would be up here earning money. Nothing happened, and then we're going sideways. All those engines, you can see it. You can see the servicing that got done. They got serviced. They're all done and dusted. The planes don't need servicing. Until they need servicing, Rolls-Royce have got very little to do. So they're developing, they've got new engines, doing this, that, and the other, but they're not making any money. They're just going sideways. So the stock is barcoding. This is barcoding. Looks like a barcode. This is algorithms. This is algorithms doing the trades. And what's going on there now is just algorithms doing the trades, nothing going on, no reason to own the stock, other than it's cheap. It's cheap right now. But the company isn't making any money right now. But what you do need to understand is it's a company that the British government will never let go. It's part of heritage. It's like the government inside a little Illuminati club. It ain't going anywhere. All right, so it'll come back. So don't flood all your money into it thinking, hey, let's buy a Rolls-Royce because it's cheap and it's brilliant. I'm going to own it. It's, just like Carnival Cruise Lines. But 12% loss for me isn't worth dumping double the amount just to get it up to 6% down. Look, you got to look at the actual loss, 90% loss. But it's not where a stock has been, it's where it's going. When it was up here, it was a different business. It's a different business. Now then, I want everyone to hail the king, right? Who's the king? I don't know. You decide. I said to you guys I would be at 45,000 on the bell. Where's Seb Dean? Where's my mate Seb Dean to challenge me? I'm at 44,865. 68% of you said no. You're smoking that weed that Bill's got. You didn't believe me. I said 45,000 on the bell. It would sell off right into the close, which I am 124 bucks away. I think that's close enough, but that's not good enough for the day trader. We like to get it, as you know, on the penny on the second. On the penny on the second. And I've done that once before. Has anyone ever seen that video? The day I predicted a stock price on the second on the penny. And I got it spot on. I'm never going to try and do it again. It gave me a nervous headache. My brain was like, this calculation's doing my head in. Anyway, okay. Part shortages, labour shortages. Sorry to hear that, Bill. All the best. What's happening? Hey, Petty could be better. Bill's not very well. Rolls-Royce at 105 is always a buy for me. Great explanation, Martin. Thank you very much. You're very, very welcome. Now I've explained it, and I poured out my entire life to you. Is that enough to make you become a member? Because I only review stocks for members. I only did that for you because I had a minute or two to spare. So consider being a member, because it's the members that keep the live shows together. If I stopped doing the live shows, I would make my money from the videos. I do the videos for the members. So there you go. Just a thought. If you want to be a member, we'd love to have you here. And remember, the membership is built to give you 20 times back what you put in. And that, if you use all the perks and benefits, you will get 20 times back what you put in. Anyway, I am just 130 bucks away now from, yes, I'll become a member. We'll do it. Yes, I'm doing it. All right then. All right then, smash that flipping browser and become a member. Don't talk about it. Do it now. If you can't do it, if what my mum said, if you can't do it today, hang on. Don't put off what you do tomorrow today. That's wrong, isn't it? Don't put off today what you could do. Don't put off tomorrow what you could do today. That's the word. That's the word I'm looking for. Right, here we go. Former Ripple advisor Michael Barr will supervise the Fed by helping influence policy on crypto and stablecoin alongside services as top banking watchdog. Horrible news, Paul B. Do not want centralization. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. If you want institutions to get in, the real money to get in, you do want centralization. You do. You want regulation. You want rules. Love it. I love rules. I love rules. Give me rules. Give me rules. Give me all the rules of the game, and I will find the way to win every single time. Give me the rules that everybody else has got, and I'll find a way to win. Don't give me the rules. It's just a minefield. You don't know where you're going. Always want the rules. Regulate everything. Absolutely right. Right. We've got 9 minutes to go. I said $50,000 on the nose when the bell rang. Am I going to be right? Am I going to be wrong? I'm not even going to run a poll now because I'm afraid to run it, to jinx it. You love the system. That's what you mean. Is that what I mean? Don't tell me what I mean. Church of Logic, don't come on here telling me I know what I mean. I knew what I meant once. Very rarely do I know what I mean. I don't know what I mean. I just make this stuff up anyway. I ain't got a clue. I don't know what I mean. No idea. Don't pull off until tomorrow what you can... Yeah, don't put off until tomorrow what you can do today. So we're expecting then Renatus OF von Ture Pomathy. Isn't that not the best name you've ever heard on YouTube? We're expecting him or her, we don't know, to become a member of our channel. A family member. Virgin Orbit. Let's have a little look at the stocks. What do we see right now? We see Ethereum still doing nothing. We see Bitcoin doing nothing. We see SV doing nothing. Enphase Energy coming back up into the close now. I'm up 64%. Ginkgo Bioworks up 7.59. We got 8 minutes to go. Day trader of the day coming up. Very, very exciting. On semiconductor. Should you have a quick look at something? I wanted to just refresh my... Hello, that's what's going on. I got a major problem here. I got a thing right now. I got a thing going on. Yeah, I actually have a thing going on right now. That's causing a thing problem. And Lear's listening in thinking, what do you mean you got a thing problem? I have. I can't even explain the thing because it's a thing that's unknown. It's an unknown thing. And I have to press all kinds of buttons and hope I can unthing the thing that's going wrong. Right. Okay, now I've identified the thing. I'm unthinging the thing that's singing about. It's tinging its way up the tube. It's tinging its way up the tube. I say bing bong ding dong. It's pinging its way up the tube. It's tinging its way up the tube. It's tinging its way up the tube. I said a bing bong ding dong. It's pinging its way up the tube. People are signing off on TikTok. They're going, what's going on? He grind on bigger boys for money. He grind on bigger boys for money. What does that mean? That doesn't even make any sense. Class and quality inspector. What does that mean? That doesn't even make any sense. I don't even know what you're saying. Right, let's press this button now. You ready? See if it works. Yes, I fixed it. You can always fix it. No matter how bad things get, you can always fix them. That's right, innit? Right. Let's try that again. Let's see if my little subscriber button spins around. You ready? Spin around. Oh. 4392. Well, that was very anticlimactic, wasn't it? That was very anticlimactic. All that for that. Are you having a laugh? That's ridiculous. That was the worst climatic excitement of the day. Anyway, let's have a look. What's the point of crypto with regulation? The purpose was to create a community to trade freely and exchange goods and services privately. Why do you need to be private? I don't care. I put everything online. Why have you got to be private? If you're not, I mean, you're not doing anything wrong, are you? Who cares? Privately doesn't bother me. What we want is to be able to send money around the world for free. You can do that now on Cash App, by the way. You don't even need crypto. By the way, if everybody wants a decentralized free money to the world, it exists. It's been around for years. It's called Cash App. You just I can send money to anybody. Anybody want any money? I'll send you some free money. It doesn't cost me anything. Doesn't cost me anything. It's absolutely free. It's been around for ages. There you go. If that's what you want, how can I send free money without any fees, transactional costs, immediate money? Do that now. Do that now with Cash App. But it's not exciting, is it? It's not rock and roll. People don't get excited about it. Last one from me. Well, that'll be something. That'll be a first. That'll be a first. Ready? Last one from Paul. Whatever. I doubt that very much. Right. Last one from me. Ripple has been added to the Inc. 5000 list of the fastest growing private companies in America. Ripple has been added to the Inc. 5000 list of the fastest growing private companies in America. Thank you very much for that information, Paul B. That'll blow your mind a little bit. I love the way he's constantly collecting this information. It's brilliant, isn't it? Don't we love Paul B? I'm going to buy Paul B. Paul B, if you come here, you can hear me say it right now. And I don't say stuff like this, so I'm surprised I'm even going to say it. Paul B, if you come to the Day Trader Convention on the 15th of October in Cornwall, Newquay, Cornwall, on the beach, in the pub, I'm going to buy you a pint. I'm going to buy you a pint because of all the lovely comments you give us. There you go. I put it out there now. You can all come up to me and remind me, you said you'd buy Paul B a pint. And I'll go, I don't remember that. The person that you see on the telly ain't the real me. The person that you see on the telly is someone very different. That bloke, don't listen to him. All right? But I'm saying it right now. Whether I will do it in person is different, but I'm saying it. Less government, the better, says Church. Banks suck. 3 minutes. Yes, 3 minutes. Nits for Road says 3 minutes. All right, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. £50 is one expensive pint. Yeah, but this is for the hotel. This is for the beach party. This is for the Elton John tribute act. This is for the DJ. This ain't just to see me. Even though $50 is a very good value, I think you'll agree. It's for the whole experience. Bloody hell, Paul B, what's wrong with you? £50. Bloody hell. Perfect, Church. Great, you're welcome. I'm doing good as well. Right, let's go back to the main portfolio. We have got 2 minutes. 44,801. 44,000. Oh, just slipping back. Is he going to be right? Ooh, what do you reckon? 2 minutes to go. 1.5 minutes to go. 45,000 on the bell. What do you reckon? I said today I'll be at 45,000. Remember this morning I was at one point when I asked you, I was at 43.7. So that's $1,000 up from there. It was a big, brave thing I said. Here we go. 1 minute to go. I pay my what? I pay my what in dog money? What's all that about? All right, here we go. 1 minute. Does Robinhood have email alert, i.e. I want to know when their UK launch is coming? I will tell you. You don't need an email. If you subscribe to my email, you'll know. Don't you worry about that. Chiggy 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 bow bow. Said chiggy 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 bow bow. The real Satoshi. Stand up, say please stand up. Say please stand up. Well, the real Satoshi. Stand up, Nakamoto. Hey, well, the real Satoshi. I'm not asked for the scores yet, Logan Pizza. Steady on, steady on. A pint, Martin. But you have to play this and play and sing. I ain't playing or singing anything. Right. Here we go. 10, 9, 8. Let's blow the horn. Let's blow the horn. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell has gone and I am out by $260. But considering I was down $1,000 when I asked you if I'd get to 45,000 and most of you, 68% said no, I think I did pretty well. But it's going to rise into the close anyway. See it going up now? There we go. Let's see if it carries on. Let's have a quick look at the trades and let's see how we go. Hi Dexter, lovely to have you here. It is lovely. It is lovely. Lovely to have him here. Even if he did neglect his son's birthday and didn't have him on the show. Sent him packing to his mum's. Terrible. That's child abuse right there. Could have been on the Day Trader show. Just saying. Virgin Orbit up 0.23. Let's have a little look. Virgin Orbit still going up. I'm 44,800 now, getting closer by the second. It doesn't count now though. Yeah, you can laugh. You can laugh. Your son was crying, thinking, "Dad, you sent me away." Like Oliver Twist, please, sir, I want some more. I want to be on the Day Trader show for my birthday. Is it a lot to ask? It doesn't even cost anything. You don't have to buy me an orange for my birthday, or a little apple. You don't have to buy me an orange or an apple. All you got to do is say, "Martyn Lucas, will you sing me happy birthday?" And that was too much. How do I get away with this stuff? I tell you how I get away with it. There's no one here. I could sit here and stand on my head. No one would care. There's no one here. I don't even know if you guys are real. You might not even be real. I may have spent the last year talking to bots. You might not even be real. I've just realised that. The people on TikTok and people on YouTube might not even be real. I might have spent a year talking to myself. Imagine if that's true. We are bots, see? They even reply as bots. We are bots. Scary times ahead. Anyway, this is all a simulation. Yeah, none of us are really here. I'm just making it all up. I don't know what I'm talking about. This is just crazy, isn't it? What's it all about? What am I doing? Why am I putting all my money that I've worked hard for on this? And all I'm doing is talking to a glass. Look, this here, look, it's like a piece of glass. See, look, here, this here is a piece of glass, and I just look into it like that. And it's like if I look really closely like that, in fact, I probably need to do this, right? If I look really closely like this, right, I can actually see Dexter. Oi, Dexter, off the sofa. Logan Pizza, off the toilet. I can see you. You don't think I can see, but I can see. I can come right into your house and see what's going on. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. How do I get away with this? Right. Day Trader of the day. I was wrong. I did not hit 45,000 by the end of the day. Very, very close though. I don't even get a half a well done, do I? No one even cares. No one's even bothered. 4393, and that was very disappointing. Put all those videos out and nothing happened. All right, never mind. I can live with it. Day Trader of the day. Go to your main portfolio. I am at, let's have a look. Let's see who wins today. Well done. Thank you, Leo. I appreciate that. Someone's got the decency to say, well done. It's pretty good. You know, you're only a couple $100 out. You asked everybody when you were 1,000 down. It's still pretty good, but no one's, you know, apart from Leo. And Leo's not even a member. He's a guest. Just coming on in. Not even a member. And he said, thank you very much. Well done. Unbelievable. Right, here we go. The fact of the matter is, I'm up again. So I'm up 0.42%. Oh, blimey. Where am I? Yeah, I'm over here. I'm on this screen. Good day. Oh, I'm off. You're out of it. You've not even done your day trader of the day yet. We're ending the show. You might as well be here till the end, Nits. Oh, by the way, Nits, I saw you went over to Discord. You're a non-member at the moment on Discord. You can only access certain channels. You can't call into the show. You can't have your own channel, all that other stuff. If you become a member, we upgrade you and you can see all the exclusive channels. You can see there's loads of channels you can't even see. They're hidden away, I tell you. Hidden away for YouTube members. Anyway, are you ready? When the first person posts their score, I'll put it up on the screen. 1 minute to go, and then we're going to end the show. Who's the first person? You ready? I'm waiting for the first person to report their score. Dexter. No, I'm an alien. I'm a little alien. Patty's an alien. My son Elijah is 7. My son Elijah is up 7. Up 7? He's 7 years old. But he didn't get any happy birthdays because his dad was selfish. Dad was selfish. Dexter Sickles was selfish. Self, self, self. Me, me, me. All the time. That's all it is. That's all we get. Self, self, self. Me, me, me. Right, ready? I'm waiting for someone to post their score. If you can't be bothered to post your score, I don't know why I'm sitting here talking to myself. None. What's going on? All right, I'm going to put 1 minute on the clock because I've got to go because I've got a physical therapist coming around the house in a minute to rub these things on my back, which like loosen the muscles. Very, very weird, strange situation. Anyway, are you ready? Marty, Sting. What about Sting? Every breath you take, every move you make. Anyway, don't know why I'm doing that. Right, here we go. Down 1.1%. You're all behind the stream. Oh! That's a good score. Up 5.93. That can't be true. Does anyone believe it? I don't believe it. Said chicky, 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 pow, pow. Said chicky, 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 pow, pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please stand up, say please stand up. Will the real Satoshi stand up? Nakamoto. Any more advances? I don't think so. We got down 1.1. He was out catching toads. What sort of son have you got? I have Sing and Rio. EDXC. Alright, time's up, time's up. Blow the horn. I think... Hello? What happened there? I think everyone's fallen asleep. I think, Bill, you've put everyone to sleep, mate. I blame you. Martin, Mum was talking about Englishmen. Oh, yeah. I can do that one. You know I can do it. You know I can do it. Englishman in New York. That little guy loves toads, does he? Something wrong with your son, mate. You need to sort it out. Put a stop to it. Right, the winner is, no question about it, Dexter Sickles, 5.93. 5.93. Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. And then here's a big round of applause. All right. Okay, that's it for today. I'll be back in the morning. We are back early in the morning. We are back early in the morning. Have you... Let me clear this up a minute. Have you... whoops, get rid of that. Doobie-doo. Wow, wow, wow. Ba-doo-ba-doo. Have you clicked this link yet? This link will take you to my blog for the target earnings. There is it'll come to that page and you scroll down. There's the target earnings. Oopie-doobie-doo. Target earnings. See it? Target earnings is there. You could click on this link, the video itself. They're all links. And once you click on it, you'll come to here and it'll give you the likes. We've got 8 likes. I wanted 10. You let me down. Only got 8. Rubbish. Wanted to get 10, but never mind. See you in the morning, nice and early before the main show with target earnings. Let's see if we can make money on target. Yes, we're on target. We're absolutely on target. Right, can someone say roll the credits, please? It's time to roll the credits. Time to get out of here. Thank you very much indeed. I'm going to roll the credits and see you all back in the morning. Just need to roll the credits. I'm waiting. I can wait all night. I think everyone's behind me tonight. I think everyone's got buffering. Buffering's going on in the world of buffering. Here come the credits. Roll the bloody credits. Thank you, Mike. Thank God you're here. I smashed that like button. Good. Good. It's your responsibility to smash it. You are members of the channel. You have to do it. All right? Don't expect a thanks for it. It's your responsibility now. As members of the channel, it's your responsibility. All right? So take responsibility serious. Moderators, Mike, you beat the Restream bot again. And we got a wonderful subscription from Coconut. Very quiet this afternoon. Just one subscriber. We may have had a few more, but that's only public subscribers. There we go. So we got a subscriber. Coconut became a subscriber. Their credits will roll. Their credits will roll. And the only person who deserves any credit was Mike. Mike became the Restream bot slayer of moderators and the subscriptions for Coconut. Thank you very much indeed. That's it from me. I'm off. I'll see you all back in the morning, bright and breezy, bright and early. And by the way, we're just a few dollars away from 45,000. That's it. See you in the morning. Take care of yourselves and each other. I slayed the bot.